Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Kawasaki Z400 with ABS brakes. This lightweight naked twin cylinder 400 just arrived from its first owner with only 570 miles. Showroom condition, really cool black and red. It's got the bar end mirrors. And like I said, 570 miles, the thing's brand new. Come on by, make your Kawasaki Z400 dreams come true for just $45.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Come check out the bike, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.